Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to use Supabase with JavaScript. So first, you will start by logging into your Supabase and setting up your project. And once that's done, you will have to go to your settings and you will have to copy your project URL and public key. These two things are what your app needs to talk to the Supabase backend. In your JavaScript project, whether it's a personal website or a small web app, you can add those details and use them to fetch or send data, let users sign in, or even build forms that talk directly to your database. You do not need a backend server or anything complicated. Supabase handles the storage, authentication, and API parts for you. This makes it perfect for solo developers, quick MVPs, or students learning how to build full stack apps with simple tools. It keeps your project light and easy to manage. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.